First of all, let me apologize for being MIA for the last 2 Sundays. I have been caught up with something that is very exciting that I'm working on, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Hopefully before my birthday you all will know what it's about. But I am excited to share today's video, which is about my monthly favorites. Now I know जो मैंने last monthly favorite करा था वो पिछले साल था, but honestly my favorites don't change that often. However, I have a bunch of new favorite things that I want to share with you guys, and it's all here a little messy, but I can't wait to get into it. So let's get started. First of all, I have been obsessed with lip glosses, especially the Too Faced lip injection lip gloss in the shade Just a Girl. I absolutely love it. It does have a slightly tingly feeling because it is a lip injection, but honestly I don't think it really plumps up your lips. I love it for the color, and I've been wearing it almost every time I step out or shoot any videos. I also have another clear lip gloss, this pink one, a brown one, and I also tried out the Kriti Sanon's Hyphen lip gloss. So that is also something that I have. And I also got myself the Rhode lip gloss. I'm literally hoarding on them because I am obsessed. Next up are these cute coasters, and they are called mug rugs. I did not know that until I stumbled upon this brand called Hippie. It's a home decor brand. They have a lot of nice boho home decor things. I fell in love with these as soon as I saw them on the website. They just add that little cutesy element to my house, and they are great coasters as well. जो regular coasters होते हैं, they tend to get the stain of your glass, but these ones just absorb everything in. I love them. Another makeup thing that I'm obsessing about are peach blushes, and this one from Too Faced, I think it's called Tequila Sunset. Yeah, Tequila Sunset. I am obsessed with it. In general, I would always recommend peach blushes, especially for someone who's my skin tone. It really adds that nice pop of natural color or blush to your face, and I love it. Moving on to some skincare, Be Body Wise actually sent me a PR package, so they had a lot of things in it which I really wanted to try out, and I have been loving the underarm roll-on. In India, you don't easily find good roll-ons because either you get those Rexona or Dove, and I haven't actually used them, but I know they tend to leave like a white mark behind or don't feel as good. This one feels super light, does not leave any sticky feeling. It does also have 4% AHA BHA, so they do claim to lighten your underarms over time, but it does say that you have to use it for 3 months. I haven't used it for that long, so I can't comment on that. But just for this weather right now, which is crazy, it keeps you sweat free, it keeps you odor free, which is what you need in the summers, because in this weather you may tend to smell bad, especially because of all the sweating, and my armpits sweat like crazy. So I am so thankful to this. This reduces the sweat as well, and also keeps my body odor free. I also don't have to keep applying my perfume constantly and waste all of that expensive perfume because of this. Another thing that I really liked from Be Body Wise were their hydrocolloid acne patches. Now I know that a lot of brands do these acne patches, Dr. Shade, and I've used another brand as well, but I spoke to my dermat and she told me that you can totally use acne patches. They're actually good for avoiding touching them, and if you want to put makeup on, or if you don't want that red bump to show on your face, this helps you cover that. However, she did mention that only use acne patches that are hydrocolloid. So when I opened the PR package that I got and I saw that these were hydrocolloid acne patches, I was like, my dermat has given me a go ahead, I'm going to use these, and these are actually really useful. Moving on to something I have been obsessed with is this to-do plate kind of thing. It comes with a stand. I got it on Amazon. The thing was, I was really all over the place at one point because I was just not able to organize my day, and I was looking for cute stationery things to keep me motivated, and this is something I found on Amazon. I thought it was really cool. It comes with 2 markers as well, so it says to do and then leave it for later. It actually makes me want to make my to-do list and organize my day. It also comes with a black cloth so you can wipe it off. I absolutely love using this. I've also got another to-do notepad because right now I'm obsessed with organization and calendar and all these organizing notebooks and journals. So I also picked up this notepad that says a cup of get things done, and this has a really cool layout as well. It says everything I'm supposed to remember but can't, and then you have like a top priority and then your to-do for the day. I have been trying to use it every day, and if it wasn't for this cute stationery and cute notepads, I would probably be all over the place. Another really useful thing, and I'm not sure if I've shown this in my earlier videos because I know I've had this for a while, In this weather, it's been the most useful thing ever. It's this portable fan. Again, got it on Amazon. It's chargeable with a USB, and even when I'm shooting outside, this is super handy for me. And if you're someone who has to travel a lot or commutes a lot in this crazy heat, this is super helpful. Another thing from Amazon, I think this should have just been an Amazon haul. I feel like once you sit on Amazon, you can find so many useful, utility, productive things. And I got this sipper from there as well. Now there are tons of designs available in the summer when you want to constantly keep sipping on something hydrating, be it water or juice or like lemon water, anything. These will come super handy and they look cute, so they add a little bit of aestheticness to your house as well. Next up, I got these butterfly clutches. They come in a set of 4 to 5 and they have different colors. They are really nice. They have a really good grip. You can make different hairstyles, buns. I like to just tie my hair back up and then add this to add a little bit of feminine touch to my hairstyle. So even if you're not someone who experiments with their hair, but just adding accessories to it makes a huge difference. Another hair accessory that I picked up and I like right now are these scrunchies, which come with this little scarf thing. So when I tie my hair, it looks like I have a scarf on my head, which, like I said, adds a bit of element to your hair. Even though you know only how to do simple hairstyles, these will add on to it. Next up is something that I'm wearing, and that's this summery, really cute summery top. I actually got like 4 to 5 really cute summer tops from Myntra. I did like a short form video, a reel, and also on YT Shorts I posted. Absolutely love these cute floral summery tops. They are perfect for this weather, and like I said, they look really cute. So I'm obsessed, especially with this one. Another thing that I'm obsessed over with is this pendant that says Sabr in Arabic or Urdu. I have a tattoo saying the same thing, but that's in Hindi in my mom's handwriting. So I wanted to get another one because patience or Sabr is one thing that I just don't have in my life. That's one virtue I lack. So this is to keep reminding me to be patient. And the last thing on my favorites list is this mango smoothie recipe that I got from my sister. It's got mangoes because of course it's the season, some dates, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and oats. So it's a healthy smoothie recipe. It gives you fiber and it is tasty. And in this weather, there are a lot of times when I just don't want to eat. I just want to drink something fresh and tasty, and this is perfect for that. I would highly recommend you try this recipe out and let me know in the comments if you like it. So that is for my monthly favorites video. I think I should call it quarterly favorites video, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I will try to link as much as I can in the description box, but in case I don't, if you have any questions related to a specific product, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to answer that for you guys. That's it for today. I'm gonna sign off and I will see you guys in my next video.